I've had allegations that they want to dissolve Senate. For their information, Senate is a constitutionally established body. The COG, within a flip or a twinkle of an eye, we can dissolve because it is a statutory creation under the Act of Devolution Law, the County Government and Intergovernmental Relations Act. So the COG in itself is easier to dissolve than the Senate. And I want to advise, because I have seen they are cutting down on the essential services and medical services, that it is very unfortunate, Madam Speaker. They should cutting down on their usage of gasoil fueling vehicles, because some of the governors, Madam Speaker, are on a spending spree. They don't even live in their houses, Madam Speaker, they live in hotels. And these are governors that spend daily in running the errands within the county government. They are not ready for accountability and transparency, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, it is so sad to see somebody like COG chair taking Senate as a bogeyman in terms of their own problems. The disbursement of funds from June under the last financial year has not been disbursed. Why are they not blaming the National Treasury? Madam Speaker, we have been having a problem where integrated financial management system has been open at the wee hours when the sorcerers are more active than anybody else. Why are they not blaming them, Madam Speaker? Madam Speaker, these double standards by the Council of Governors must be called out. They should respect the Senate. Finally, Madam Speaker, you remember when we were arguing on getting 335 billion, Madam Speaker. They went behind our backs. Senator Mutula Kilonzo Jr. and others walked out during the mediation committee, Madam Speaker, because we wanted 335 billion. They connived. They went from Pango Kando and agreed to 316.5 billion. That is why we have the problem of revenue as we are having today, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I want to confirm to the country as one of the esteemed 12 disciples to resolve the issue of revenue formula. By tomorrow we shall be having white smoke. And it will be a win-win for all Kenyans and of all senators and the counties that we have, Madam Speaker. The chair of Council of Governors and the Council of Governors, and we want to advise the EACC and DPP, let them put them on the radar, especially when they continue to misuse our resources.